Hi, I'm Brad Townsend, Vice President of North America Sales for Terumo Neuro, and I'm thrilled to be heading to SNIS for the very first time. It's an incredible opportunity to connect with so many of you, leaders and innovators in the neurovascular space. At the core of everything we do is a shared commitment to the patient. Our partnerships with physicians are vital because together we're working towards better outcomes every single day. We're proud to have launched the SOFIA 88 catheter in the United States this May, another legacy SOFIA catheter designed to reliably reach your target and support you delivering timely care when it matters most. And this year we're celebrating 15 years of proven outcomes with the Web device, a milestone that reflects our dedication to excellence and long-term impact. We're also excited to host 2 Industry Insights Symposiums. Join us Monday at 1 p.m. and Tuesday at 12:45 p.m. for an expert-led discussion on the future of stroke care. Innovation is in our DNA, and we'd love for you to experience it firsthand. Come visit us at the booth to explore our full ischemic and hemorrhagic stroke portfolio, or ask us about visiting our tech suite for a deep dive into our latest technology. Thank you for your partnership, your trust, and your passion for advancing patient care. I'm looking forward to connecting with many of you while at SNIS. Thank you.